High blood pressure, also called hypertension, is a major health concern affecting 1 in 3 adults globally. It has become a major public health concern as it significantly raises the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, vision loss, and cognitive decline. When blood pressure stays elevated over time, it puts excess strain on the heart and damages blood vessels throughout the body. In this video, we'll explain 8 practical, evidence-based ways you can start lowering your blood pressure naturally. Implementing just a few of these adjustments can get your numbers headed in the right direction. Number 1. Lose extra weight. Losing just 5 to 10 pounds can make a big difference. Excess weight puts more strain on blood vessels and your heart has to work harder. Focus on a healthy, balanced diet. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps lower blood pressure by keeping arteries flexible and reducing stress hormones. Aim for 30 to 45 minutes per day, with activities like walking, swimming, or cycling. Number 3. Reduce sodium intake. Eating too much sodium causes fluid retention, making it harder for blood to flow. Limit salty foods and keep sodium under 1,500 milligrams a day. Take a moment to read the labels. Number 4. Eat more potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps balance sodium levels, relaxing blood vessels. Focus on fruits, vegetables, yogurt, salmon, and beans to increase dietary potassium. Number 5. Limit alcohol intake. More than 1 alcoholic drink per day for women and 2 for men raises blood pressure. It takes only a short period of time to see results when you reduce alcohol consumption. Number 6. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress causes inflammation and narrowing of arteries, which raises blood pressure. Make time for relaxing activities like meditation, music, or yoga. Number 7. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and causes immediate spikes in blood pressure upon inhaling. Quitting smoking is one of the fastest ways to reduce hypertension. And number 8. Get more quality sleep. Those who don't get enough sleep have higher than average blood pressure. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 restful hours per night. Establish a calming pre-bed routine and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Small healthy changes really do make a big difference when it comes to lowering blood pressure. It can seem daunting at first, but just by losing some weight, moving your body more, skipping the salt shaker, and getting a bit more sleep, you can take control of your health one small step at a time. We hope you are feeling motivated and confident as you try out different lifestyle tweaks to tame hypertension naturally. The most important thing is to pick 1 or 2 changes to focus on first. Over time, your new healthy habits will become like second nature. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.